With every drop of water you drink, every breath you take, you're connected to the sea, no matter where on Earth you live. In the same time that astronauts have been going up in the sky, I've been going down in the ocean. The ocean holds the greatest diversity of life on Earth. No big surprise, it's where most of the water is, it's where most of the life is. Jump into the ocean and you'll meet some of these creatures that occur just in the sea. We are just beginning to understand and appreciate the nature of the creatures who share space with us on this little blue speck. If I could, right now, I would take all of us and take the plunge into the blue heart of the planet. Need to know. It's only through knowing that people can care. You might not care if you do know. If you know what's there, you know what's at stake. You might not care with knowing, but you can't care if you don't know. It starts with exploration.